You guys coming? Route 52. Oh, Bill is okay. Bill is
body tape, body tape.
Oh, body tape.
Rule number one. Woo!
Wow.
Woo! Hey, he said
Steve,
rule number one, don't walk in front of bad boys.
Rule number one, don't walk in front of bad boys. That's why it's called bad boy. Yeah.
If I run your ass over on the street.
Hey, I had them sign the waiver, Steve.
Bad boy, double T.
The bad boy.
Top fan. TT. TNT. Alright, PT's checked in. And Bill's going to take.
Arthur.
Okay, you guys ready? Pick a spot in the back. One commercial. 10 seconds.
10.
Oh, look at the
8,
body, Steve.
7.
Is that a
6,
Lamont?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Barney.
Get him, Arthur.
I think we're good.
You see Steve's fine?
Let's do restart. Restart. That was horrible.
Thank you, sir. I'm gonna look it up
That
right
was
now.
horrible.
I think it's on Gio's website.
Oh,
I think that's where he got it. That's why he got all the stickers, the details.
Alright, let's do this. Don't pass on the first lap. Can everyone do
hey.
that? One parade lap, okay? No
Yep.
passing, first lap. We'll try that.
Oh, dude.
No passing on the first lap.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Steve.
10, 5.
That
11
body
flat.
so sick.
11, 2. 11, 2.
He
12, 5.
painted it right in front of Memo and P2.
8, 1.
Took him only an hour.
9 flat. 10 flat. 11,
Oh, I
8.
want that body.
13, 6. 7, 5. 26.4. 8, 4. 8, 4.
Damn.
7, 6. 9, 8. 9, 7. 12, 6.
Yeah, that was a collision.
10, 9. After 45 seconds, the top drivers are Bad Boy in first place, followed by Arthur in second place, followed by Winston in third place. 9, 4. 11, 7. 9, 2. 7, 4. 10, 6. 16, 9. 9, 1. 11, 4. 4 minutes left. 15, 4. 15 flat. 8, 9. 11 flat. 9, 4. 10, 7. 14, 9. 7, 4. 9 flat. 14, 8. 10, 5. 8, 5. 7, 4. 7, 3. 11, 6. 9 flat. 8, 9. After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Bad Boy in first place, followed by Arthur in second place, followed by Al in third place. 7, 3. 7, 1. 16, 6. 12, 2. 8, 9. 8, 5. 7, 1. 7, 2. 9, 4. 8, 2. 10, 4. 9, 5. 12, 4. 15, 7. 10, 5. 11, 2. 10 flat. 3 minutes left. 12, 1. 9, 2. 20.8. 21.9. 9, 8. 10, 3. 8, 8. After 2 minutes 15 seconds, the top drivers are Bad Boy in first place, followed by Arthur in second place, followed by Al in third place. 7, 5. 7-8, 12-3, 11-9, 13-5, 7-3, 8-8, 13-4, 8-8, 13-3, 7-3, 7-6, 10-9, 8-6, 7-5, 9-2, 7 flat, 11-9, 8-9, 7-5, 7-2, 8-9, 8-8, 8-2, 7-2, 13-2. 2 minutes left. The top drivers are Bad Boy in first place, followed by Arthur in second place, followed by Winston in third place. 9-6, 15-9, 11-5, 11 flat, 13-5, 8-8, 10-1, 10-7, 11-1, 9-8, 46.5, 8-7, 7-6,
I know, but I got 4 batteries. Well, what's the
18-6, 8-2, 14-2, 11-9, 15-2, 7-6, 10-2, 9-1, 9-3. After 3 minutes 45 seconds, the top drivers are Arthur in first place, followed by Bad Boy in second place, followed by Winston in third place. 7-1, 9-4, 9-1, 9-1, 7-2. 1 minute left. 10 flat. 7-7. 9-5.
Sorry. Wow, you know, like
11-2. 45 seconds left. 17-2. 17-1. 10-1. 9-5. 7-4. 9-7. 30 seconds left. After 4 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are Arthur in first place, followed by Winston in second place, followed by Bill in third place. 9-7, 8-8, 7-2, 9-2, 8-5, 7-4, 9-3, 15 seconds left. 9 flat, 7-1, 10, 9, 10-5, 8, 8-9, 6-5, 7-2, 9-6, 2-1. 8-9 Winston done. 9-1 Al done. 7-2 Arthur done.
What'd you get?
Finish.
17-7 Bill done. All drivers are finished.